Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove potassium permanganate stains. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Before applying any cleaner, identify the material of the stained item, as different surfaces react differently. Always test your chosen cleaning solution on a small, hidden area first to ensure it won't cause damage or discoloration. This crucial step helps prevent further issues and ensures a successful stain removal process. One effective method involves using oxalic acid. To prepare, mix 1 teaspoon of oxalic acid powder with 1 cup of warm water until fully dissolved. Carefully apply this solution directly onto the potassium permanganate stain using a clean cloth or sponge. Allow the solution to sit on the stain for about 5 to 10 minutes, giving it time to work. Afterward, rinse the treated area thoroughly with clean water to remove all traces of the acid and the stain. Another excellent option for removing these stubborn stains is a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. Simply pour or spray the hydrogen peroxide directly onto the stained area. Let it soak for several minutes. You should see the purple stain begin to fade and disappear. Once the stain is gone, rinse the entire treated area completely with clean, fresh water. This helps ensure no residue is left behind, leaving your item clean and clear. If any faint traces of the stain remain after the initial treatment, don't worry. You can repeat the cleaning process using your chosen method until the stain is completely gone. After successful removal, ensure the area is thoroughly dry to prevent any potential restaining or watermarks. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.